Hello everyone, I'm a life coach and psychologist, and welcome back to my channel, Keshayar Nemovzadeh, where I teach you how to become a better version of yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live in the moment. There is a strange pill called PM. It's strange because if you use it regularly, according to research, it cures all mental and even physical illnesses. Its name, PM, stands for present moment. This pill is free and you are not supposed to get it from anywhere. You just need to use it. However, its usage instructions are specific and need to be learned. Living in the present moment, or as researchers call it, the PM pill, which according to scientists works better than 100 real pills, has a specific set of usage instructions. It has a very sweet and enjoyable 4-step instruction manual. Step 1. Surrounding to contradictions and dualities of existence. This step is sweetest because a lot of the pressure of life and pressure of being the best is removed from you. Just know that. Being immersed in water that is rapidly flowing is more artistic and intelligent than swimming in stagnant water. No matter how much pressure you put on yourself, you cannot change the flow of life, but you can be immersed in it professionally. Being immersed requires skill. It's a truth that life is correct as it should be. It is happening. We try to change the direction of life by imposing our desire and we fail. The power of the world is much greater than us. We shouldn't confront the world. Are we doomed? No, you are not condemned to the events of life. You have the power of choice. Every moment, moments that life creates for you are filled with opportunities in the best and worst situations. Life always wants good for us, in sorrow and joy. It's amazing. We are born into this world like the role of parent and child. The most cunning parents deep down want the best for child. So how can this world, with all its grandeur and humility, want bad for us? You will only see the goodnesses of the world when you let go of your desire like a child, so you can find the opportunities. Step 2. After understanding the first step, you will enter the second step, which is silence, pure silence. You will realize how unknowingly you were imposing heavy pressure on yourself in this life. In silence, you will understand that many of our thoughts and desires are not more than garbage and are not our true desires. They are just imposed on us by society and others. Without them, your life will have a richer meaning. Step 3. It's peace. After leaving behind those 2 steps and entering inner silence, you enter deep peace. A silence where only you exist, not anyone or anything else. No desires, no worries, and no garbage you were chasing. Because this peace has no worries about the past and future, and this peace is 100% pure. It leads you to the next step called the step of joy. In this step, you don't experience joy with suffering or fear. You will experience pure joy. However, in this world, you always have some worry or sadnesses with happiness, and vice versa. But in this joy, you experience pure happiness. Joy that you may not have experienced its equivalent before, because you are in the present moment, here and now. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next tutorial.